Brooks. Come see me. Come here. Come see me. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna come in the office. Come see me. Come here, Brooks. See you. Come here. Come see me. Come see me. I'm right in here. Come see me. Brooks, where you at? Brooks. Come see me. I see you, sweetheart. Come here. Come here. Come see me. Come here, sugar. Come here. Come here, baby. Come see me, Brooks. Come here. Oh, you're so big. You're so big. Look at you, sweetheart. Yay! Yay! Today is October 27th. Tomorrow he'll be 7 months old. I am a big boy. Right. Are you a big boy? Say, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Go away, bye-bye. Oh, you're working on it. Okie dokie.